In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your data by using Zoho CRM's backup and restore feature. This is an essential task for any business looking to safeguard its valuable information. Whether you're aiming to do this as a one-time effort or you want to automate the process, this guide will cover all the bases for you. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account using Google Chrome, which ensures you have the best compatibility and performance for what we're about to do. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Notice the sleek interface and easy to navigate layout, which make managing your CRM a breeze. Next, we'll navigate through the system to find the backup and restore options. Head over to the Setup section. You can find this by looking at the top right corner of the screen. It's a vital hub for all your customization and data management needs. Click on Setup, and from there, look within the Data Administration section. Under this category, you'll find Backup and Restore. This feature is where all the magic happens, allowing you to schedule and manage your data backups with ease. Now we come to the crucial part, deciding how you want to back up your data. You have the option to schedule automatic backups or initiate a manual one. If you're leaning towards automation for convenience and consistency, setting up automatic backups is the way to go. This ensures that your data is regularly backed up without needing your constant attention. On the other hand, if you prefer to personally oversee when your data is being backed up, then initiating a manual backup each time will suit your style better. Once you've decided on your backup method, the next step is to choose which modules you want to include in these backups. Modules in Zoho CRM are essentially different segments of your data, like contacts, deals, or leads. Carefully consider which segments are most important for your business continuity and select those. Being selective helps streamline the backup process and save storage space. With all these settings in place, make sure to save the configurations you've set. Saving ensures that your preferences are applied and the system will do the rest for you as per the schedule you've defined or the manual backups you initiate. Furthermore, once the backup files are ready, you'll have the option to download them. This is particularly handy for creating off-site storage, giving an added layer of security to your data management strategy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage data backups in Zoho CRM, ensuring your critical business information is secure and easily retrievable whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.